Okay, stop what you're doing because I am about to tell you the most exciting thing happening in the quilting world this summer, and I don't want you to miss it. This is what we're going to be making together. Hey Star Stitchers, welcome back. I'm Kristen with ISeeStarsQuilting.com, and oh my goodness, I have been so excited to film this video for you this week. If you are new here, hi, welcome. I'm so glad that you found me on this little corner of the internet. And if you've been around for a while, you already know I don't do things halfway, okay? So when I tell you that I have been planning something special for this summer, I mean it. It's gonna be so big. I am officially hosting the Summer Stitch Sew Along, a 6-week virtual quilting event running from July 7th all the way through August 14th. Here's the deal. I've been quilting for years. I've taken classes, I've done tutorials, I've made videos, I've watched every single YouTube video imaginable. And you know what I kept noticing? Quilting is really fun when you do it alone, but it is absolutely electric when you do it with other people who just get it. There is something that happens in a community of quilters that just doesn't happen when you are sitting by yourself at your sewing machine, hoping you cut that fabric right. Am I right? So I created this sew along to give us that feeling together virtually. I am the master of in-person quilting retreats and creating a luxury experience. I'm gonna bring all of that knowledge and all of that know-how to you this summer. So here's exactly what this is. Let me break it down for you. The Summer Stitch Sew Along is 6 weeks of guided community-based quilting. We are making a Scrappy Stars quilt using my favorite 6-inch Scrappy Stars foundation paper piecing pad. Whew, that's a mouthful. It's this right here. This is what we're going to be using. And before you say, Kristen, foundation paper piecing sounds scary, I hear you. And I promise you, if you have never done it before, this is the perfect project to start with. I designed this entire experience to be beginner friendly without being boring for people who've been quilting for years and years and who love to paper piece. Here's what's going to happen each and every single week. You get video guidance from me breaking down exactly where we are in the project, what to focus on, and how to troubleshoot. You get access to our private community where everyone is posting their progress, asking questions, and cheering each other on. It is magical experience. Truly, quilters are wonderful people. And you get the accountability of knowing that there are real people, real quilters, just like you, doing this right alongside you. This is an opportunity for men, women, young quilters, seasoned quilters, everybody in between to come together and do this sew along. And that last part that I talked about, that is the part that actually gets quilts finished. Having those people around you doing the exact same thing that you're doing. Now I know you have questions, so let me talk about how you can join, because there are 2 separate ways to be a part of this, and I want to make sure that you pick the right one for you. Option 1 is digital access. You get everything I just described, the weekly video guides, access to the private community, the full 6 weeks experience. We have Zoom calls every single week where you can ask me questions and I can answer you right there. You can even hold up your project and say, what happened, Kristen? I don't know what I did. And we will work through it together. We can look at color choices for you. We can look at, everything that could possibly come up. There are also some calls scheduled on Saturdays if you can't make the regular calls that we have. I will put videos up of recordings of the calls so that you can see those as well. The only thing that you'll need to purchase is this pad right here, and you're good to go. Your local quilting shops should carry this. Also, there are some places on Amazon that you can get this as well. Option 2 to join this kit is a curated retreat kit. It is $97 and I'm only making 40 of these kits available because my house does not support more than 40 boxes at one time, okay? So the retreat kit is for my people who want the full experience. And honestly, it is gorgeous. For the $97, you get everything in the digital access, all the calls, all the online communities, plus you get the retreat kit shipped directly to your door. We're talking the foundation paper piecing pad, everything else that is in there has been thoughtfully put together so that when July 7th arrives, you open that box and you are ready to go. Here's the thing about the retreat kit though, I only made 40 of them. 40. So if you've been sitting on the fence, this is me telling you very directly, do not wait on the kit. They're about half sold out right now at the time of me making this video. So first come, first served, but you are welcome to join us in the digital access. You can grab that right up until we start. Those kits, they're gonna sell out. But with the digital access, you'll get the same online community, the same online support. And I wanna take a second and tell you why I built this, because it's not just about, yay, let's make a quilt together, let's make it stars, let's make it summery and fun, okay? I talk to quilters every single day in my comments, in my community, in my DMs, and the thing that I hear over and over and over again is this. I love quilting, but I feel like I'm always doing it alone. I start projects and I lose motivation halfway through. I wish I had people to share this with. As a quilter, I get it. I really do. Quilting can feel isolating, especially if the people in your life don't quite understand why you have 47 project bins going right now and why you have a whole room in your house dedicated to fabric. Absolute truth, right? The summer stitch sew along is my answer to that. It's 6 weeks of proof that you don't have to quilt alone, that there is a whole community of people who get it, who get you, and who want to see your beautiful talent come together just as much as you do, for you to create something that makes you happy. At the end of August, you are going to have a finished quilt and you're going to have made friends that you didn't have at this moment in time. And that to me is absolutely everything. If you're worried about how much fabric you need, or can you use your scrap stash? Do you have to go buy new fabric? All of that is totally up to you. You can do this scrappy. This is actually designed to be a scrappy quilt. Personally, I think I have some back quarter stashes that are gonna need to be used for this project, ones that I've been hoarding for way too long, and I think that's what I'm gonna use, plus a background fabric. But really, this is completely for you to design. If you don't know what you want, I can help you with that too. So here's what I need you to do right now. The link to register is in the description below underneath this video and pinned in the comment section, okay? Go there, pick which way that you want to do this retreat and grab your spot. Retreat, sew along, I kind of do them like back and forth, okay? I love retreats. I love that feeling of scheduled sewing time, something to work on together with other people. But this really is a sew along. It's a 6-week process, okay? If you want the curated retreat kit, go now. Seriously. 40 kits. I don't know how many are left by the time that you're watching this, but go and check and see how many kits are left. If you have questions, drop them in the comments down below. I read every single one and I will answer you. And if you know another quilter who would love this, share this video with them. Send them the link. Text it to your quilting group chat right now. Get some more of your friends into this group. The more the merrier, and I genuinely mean that. We're gonna have so much fun. I have prizes to give away. We're gonna do so much sewing. We're gonna learn so much. It's gonna be so much fun and I don't want you to miss it. Okay. Star Stitchers, I am so excited about this summer, if you couldn't tell. I've been planning this for months and I cannot wait to see your scrappy stars come together. I have surprises in store that I cannot tell you about right now. But on July 7th, I want you to be there with me. If you are new here and you want to see more quilting content just like this video, more tutorials, more community, hit that subscribe button and join the Star Stitcher crew. I will see you in the next video and more more importantly, I will see you in the Sew Along this summer. I'm Kristen with ISeeStarsQuilting.com. Have a great week. I'll chat with you soon. Bye.